to improve my listings, I removed already existing listings completely so that I can relist them as per the current knowledge that I have about listing and to understand how this listing new products actually work with different variants and other options. Hence, I started listing it again with the correct choices of variants, color options, sizes, and finally, I've created one single listing with multiple variants as I expected. But one thing that we don't have orders, and the new strategy that I wanted to follow was adding more products, more listings other than the single product. But still, I need to finalize the supplier for those additional listings because I just recently found that if in a procurement day, maximum allowed is 5 days in Flipkart, if in that time we are not able to pack or ship the product, then we'll have to pay the penalty. So we cannot just randomly select many products just to increase the Flipkart algorithm. We need to strategically move ahead. So I thought, let's keep one product for now and run ads. That will give us better perspective about which kind of audience buying our product and whether they are even interested in or not, or if there is anything we should do before expanding with more products. And meanwhile, I'm getting repeated calls from suppliers about finalizing the orders, amount of quantity required, and so on. So I was thinking to let's move on with them, but then I found that I have a colleague, my college friend. She used to work actually in social media marketing. So I wanted to build my brand perception as a high quality premium lifestyle brand, not just random brand. So I wanted my audience to wear exactly that way. So I took her opinion on the designs and she said she's not finding it attractive. She wants some changes in the same. And initially I thought maybe I should run ads to boost the sales, but she said first, because it's just starting, I should focus more on organically building the brand rather than doing ads because that running ads will be very costly in the initial days without having any sales right now with no traction. But it the budget can stretch 15, 20,000 as well. I want every penny of my money to be spent wisely, strategically, which will work for the profit in coming months or in coming time. I also found a tool called ShopTech, which used to help us to run our business. They will provide us the website, they will handle the orders and everything. What we have to do here from our side is managing the inventory and ship the product. They will handle the logistics, they will handle how to give discount to potential customers, etc., etc. And they will take 3% commission plus GST charges per order. But we have to spend minimum 1,000 rupee on marketing budget. So they mainly generate sales by using ads, Google ads, meta ads on Instagram, Facebook, other websites, and so on. So I just explored the option to see whether I can use it or not. For now, I've decided I will not use it. I've also explored how organically I can actually check whether my products and the audience that I'm looking for will actually going to like it through platforms like Facebook, Quora, groups and communities. There I will check my target audience, show them the designs and see their responses, what they think about it, and then proceed accordingly. Right now, I also rectify my designs, the font, sizes, styles that I'm printing on my t-shirt because people have mixed opinions on them. And if my known circle has some mixed opinions about it, how other target audience will actually like it or order for it.